got a few good pointers. Thumbs up if you think it's a good idea, okay? Taz, the floor is yours.
Off the cuff, I just think it is a Rolling Stoner magazine. It's a professional magazine. We're trying to break stigma. We're trying to get people out there to understand what the cannabis industry is about. But we also need to be real, because I can't be like you the whole time. And when you took me to the beach, it was windy, it was miserable. I don't like sand. You wanted me to go down there. Now you want me to give me a review of this beautiful beach that you have memories about. I want to be able to. I've never been in my life.
But hold on.
I just wanted to get off the beach. I nearly fell down the stairs.
Okay.
I mean, what is it
Fair
going to
enough.
do?
But driving down the road towards that beach, you did say that you've been there 3 times. The first 2 times you were sulking in the car, and the 3rd time you refused to leave the house. So I'm kind of not sure what's going on here.
I was an insolent child. I've changed now. I'm a Rolling Stoner. I'm not as miserable as I used to be. And in all honesty, every other time that I might have been there was like 20 or 30 years ago. Things have changed. There's houses all over the place now. There should be just beaches. And the beach walkway, I nearly tripped down. I mean, old people shouldn't be walking down that beach. It should be like far more. Those are things we need to talk about, the reality of stuff. You can do all the glamorous stuff and all the stuff that's really
What do you mean? I'm not trying to do that.
You're doing the tourist side. I just think there should be a real, like it stank at that one place that we went to. And you were
Which
saying,
place? You can't mention the town.
I'm not going to say where, but it already smelled bad, and I'm like really affected by smells. I just wanted to get out of there. And you were saying, look at the beautiful mountains.
Oh, is that the place you wanted to drop you off and let you sit in the smell?
Yes, that's exactly.
Yeah.
You see, there's things like that people should also know. I think on road trips that
Do you think so?
I do. I think people.
You don't want to leave it a little bit of a surprise.
Oh no! What's not?
Why go on holiday when you can listen to Taz's
exactly.
honesty?
And I want to know where you don't want to go. I mean, save me time. That I don't have to go to some stinky shithole just because it's on the tourist map.
Please watch your language.
Stinky hole that people say is on some touristy map because they want us to make money. We go, then it's not nice. I want people to go where it's fun and where it's nice and where it's green and doesn't stink.
Okay, that's fair point. Okay. So what's your review on Agap while we're here?
Well, it left me
Remember that he's going to watch this video.
It left me absolutely agape as we came in. We first missed the turn off because that was my first job, and I missed that on the GPS. I was talking so much. But it's up a really beautiful little road, lovely little pass. We finally got in. The dogs loved us, came in and just wouldn't even let me touch them. But I'm sure they'll warm up to me later. Really little funky cool spot. He's from Germiston, you can't tell. And it's a lovely little spot.
You're not allowed to do that. You know that.
It's an awesome little spot next door. He's got like 2 places. He's just pumping in December, but it's quiet in the quiet months. I said, why was it quiet? And he said, because it's off the beaten track a bit. But he's 420 friendly. He's got a beautiful garden where people can sit. No one's going to worry them. No one's going to moan about the smoke. And he says, he doesn't mind what people do. It's up to them. I thought, what a cool place for stoners to be able to stop. Check out the mountain. You can hear the paper mill every now in the background. It just sounds like the sea. Close.
You thought it was the sea up in the mountains.
That's how much I know about Cape Town. So I'm also learning. I was like, is that the sea? He's like, no, it's a paper mill. But there's nice things to do around here, which you never would have found unless we went past Villa Agape. So it's like a place to stop in. And I'll give you a better review tomorrow when I sleep in that nice big double bed by myself.
Okay, lekker.
And you in the single bed.
Shot, guys. It's been drummed into me that I need to be like that other guy, Ken Murray. He always says, hello, you cunt.
No. You're lying. You're not saying that on the thing.
What do you think I'm saying?
No, you're not.
I am?
You're not. You're lying. You don't have to be like him. You are like him.
No, I must just go out with repetition. So, don't follow us. Don't like us.
Don't just follow us.
Don't just follow us. Don't just like us. Share us. And roll.